Hey there, Ron LeGrand here. Are you working so hard making a living you don't have time to make any real money? Well listen, I've been buying and selling houses now for 37 years and taught thousands of people how to do the same, but probably not the way you look at real estate investing. I've probably rehabbed 1,000 houses and wholesaled at least 1,000 houses, but I found a lot easier way to make money in real estate that doesn't get you just one check, but multiple checks over quite a few years and all the other benefits of real estate that you will not get in doing a quick flip. In my office here in Jacksonville, you can see all over our walls are pictures of students that graciously send us their copies of their checks and their pictures and their great testimonials. In fact, if you can see back here, we have everywhere we have walls, we have you. So throughout this entire big old building. I'd like to get you up here as well. I'm doing an online training to show you where the fastest and the easiest money is in real estate today. All you've got to do is go down there and register, but do it now because it's coming up quick. It's absolutely free, and you'll learn how to buy and sell houses without using your capital. If you use capital, it's a very small amount, and you will absolutely never use your credit on Planet Ron. But I get registered right now and you'll see what it's all about, and I'll bet I'll change your thinking about how you make money in real estate.